Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here, coming to you with another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedwerx. Today we are talking about clutch buttons for some of the Polaris RZR models. If you like what you hear, you can click the link below. It'll take you right to the website. You can check out everything, you can read up on it, you can purchase it, everything else. But I'm going to go into a lot more detail from here on. These are our solid clutch buttons. We kind of call it our heavy duty clutch button. This fits the Pro XP models, the Turbo S models, Turbo R, and Pro R models, all those primary clutches. Those buttons stock are, they have two different compounds of material on them. So there's a hard surface and there's a rubber surface. They put that rubber surface there stock to help absorb noise and vibration and to help just keep the running noise and stuff down. Really mellows out the clutch noise. Awesome, super cool part. For racing and more extreme duty uses where things are getting hotter, you're pushing stuff harder, running more wide open throttle, things like that. When the rubber side of that button wears out, then the button shoots out of the clutch and then you're wearing metal on metal and things don't last long that way. So our fix in those situations is to go to this heavy duty button that we've now created. They're $16.99 each. You can get the whole set for $101.94. Pretty simple, especially with the quick change spiders on those. You can just take the clutch part, change out your button, slide it back together, you're up and running. 100% made in the USA. This is a material that we've been using for years here in several different snowmobile and other ATV and UTV applications. It's our heavy duty clutch buttons for the Polaris RZRs, the Pro XP, Turbo S, Turbo R, Pro R models, 100% made in the USA. It replaces the OEM part number 5456312. And yeah, if you guys got any questions, give us a call, let us know.